fraternity house, it's a place where young men go to college and do good things in the community. But he was confiscated by California Fish and Wildlife and sent to us at our center. And one day, he'll mature, start to lose this yellow coloring on his mouth, and get larger and larger, and look a little closer to this size.
This is Spike. Check this big boy out. Now, the first question that people always seem to ask me about Spike is, yo, Jojo, why doesn't he bite you? And you guys know what the answer to that question is? Well, Spike here, he only bites Dodger fans. That's weird. He's very smart. But Spike here, he's actually been doing educational programs with us for the past 34 years. See, 34 years ago, he was found being kept in a man's bathtub in Los Angeles. Do you know where an alligator does not belong? In a bathtub in Los Angeles. And he was taken away, and he's been helping us do educational programs ever since. Now, the North American alligator, though. These guys are perfectly set up for life in our southern swamps. Everything from his nose being positioned on top of his snout, he can stick just the tip of his nose out of the water, and he can breathe. It works like a snorkel. Then, he's got those awesome spikes. Those spikes running down his back, those are what's known as an osteoderm. That means it's part bone, part skin. That is his protection from other alligators. But then, he's got this big, long, muscular tail. That tail of his is the most well-muscled part of his body. He can pump that tail along and swim faster than a bottlenose dolphin can. Yeah, take that, Dolphin Stadium. And this guy here, he even has around 2,000 pounds per square inch of crushing power in that mouth. One of the strongest set of jaws in the animal kingdom. Whenever he grabs a hold of something, you can bet it's always his. But I'll tell you, alligators, these guys are an animal that gives me hope. See, alligators give me hope because we almost lost these big, beautiful creatures. We almost lost the North American alligators because of this side skin. See, so many alligators were overhunted for that skin to make boots and belts and wallets and purse out of them. So many alligators were killed for that skin that we almost lost the largest reptile that we had here in the United States. But do you guys know what happened? People got involved. They started protecting the alligators. They protect the alligators' habitats, and now the North American alligator has made such a strong comeback that there are over 2 million alligators in Florida alone. Now they have to have a hunting season just to manage population. But it shows that if we truly care about a species, we can make a big difference out in the wilds.